Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the same Google account that links photos and Gmail. This guarantees you change the right settings. Once signed in, make sure Google Photos is open so you can check current backup and sharing status. Next, go to Account. Google. Com and open Security, then Data and Privacy. This is where app access and connected services live, and where you'll remove the connection so Gmail stops offering photos content automatically. Begin here so the rest of the steps act on the correct account. You now remove the link. In Data and Privacy, tap Apps with account access, locate any Google Photos and Gmail-related entries, then choose Remove Access. This severs the authorized connection. Make sure to check the Google Photos app settings for backup and sync and turn it off if you want to stop uploads. Once done, confirm Gmail no longer suggests photos when composing. If Gmail still shows items, clear browser cache or sign out and sign in again so the permission change propagates across Google services. You finish by testing. Open Gmail, compose a message, and check whether Google Photos options reappear. They should not. If the link persists, return to Security, check third-party apps with account access, and explicitly revoke any remaining permissions tied to photos or third-party mail tools. Make sure to sign out and back in, or remove and re-add the account on your device to force sync. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or app storage so stale permission data does not mask the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.